If you're tired of your current vacuum leaving behind stubborn debris, or you're just done with the messy, dusty nightmare of emptying out a tiny dirt cup every single time you clean, the Sharp PowerDetect Speed is the upgrade that changes your whole routine. This isn't just another cordless stick vacuum. It's a high-performance cleaning machine designed to take the manual labor out of maintaining your floors. The star of the show here is the auto-empty base, which means you can vacuum your entire home for weeks without ever having to touch a pile of dust or deal with those messy, sneezing-inducing dumps into the trash can. Why the Sharp PowerDetect Speed is a must-have. Intelligent PowerDetect technology. This vacuum doesn't just suck, it thinks. It automatically detects the surface you're on, whether it's hardwood, deep carpet, or tile, and adjusts its power and brush roll speed in real time. You get the perfect amount of suction exactly where you need it, which also helps squeeze every last bit of juice out of that 60-minute battery. True versatility. It's incredibly lightweight and converts into a powerful handheld vacuum in seconds. From sucking up pet hair off the sofa to getting those hard-to-reach cobwebs in the corners of your ceiling, it handles everything with the same ease. Pet hair proven. If you live with furry friends, you know the struggle of hair tangles. The brush roll is specifically engineered to be self-cleaning, meaning you spend less time pulling hair out of the mechanism and more time actually getting your house clean. This set-it-and-forget-it base, the charging dock, doesn't just power up your vacuum. It acts as an automatic disposal station. When you dock the vacuum, it empties itself into a sealed bin, making it a dream for anyone with allergies or who just want a cleaner, more hygienic home environment. Perfect for every home. High-traffic households. The 60-minute runtime is plenty to cover large areas on a single charge, making it perfect for busy family homes. Pet owners. The combination of powerful suction and an anti-hair wrap brush makes it a complete lifesaver for tackling shedding. Minimalists. It's sleek, stylish in its ice blue finish, and the dock keeps everything organized, standing upright, and ready to go at a moment's notice. It is rare to find a cordless vacuum that actually feels this premium while doing all the dirty work for you. If you're ready to stop stressing about vacuuming and start enjoying consistently clean floors with almost zero effort, click the link below for the best price.